Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write 10-line essay on Unity is Strength. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Unity is the key to success in any endeavor. Second line is we can accomplish more as a group than we can separately. Third line is when we stand united, we become an unstoppable force. Fourth line is united we stand, divided we fall. Fifth line is unity helps us overcome challenges and obstacles. Sixth line is a united front is the foundation of a strong society. Seventh line is working together in harmony leads to progress and development. Eighth line is unity fosters a sense of belonging and community. Ninth line is division weakens us, but unity makes us stronger. Last line is in times of crisis, unity is essential for survival and recovery.